So I was at Magiscoft today because there was a steam train passing that was going to be doing the Fourth Bridge to the Scottish Border rail tour, but my first catch today was 1209, the 1721 Scotland Service to Dalmuir from Cumbernauld. Then this is 2J51, the 1728 ScotRail service to Glasgow Queen Street from Edinburgh. Then running with a full load was 42-3X, the 1741 direct rail service to Moss End up Yard from Inverness, Freight SCGSDRS. Dad, be quiet, we're trying to record.
Excuse me, could you be quiet please? We're trying to record some trains. I'll see you at the back. Get to the corner. Stand in the corner. Right!
Yeah, get to the naughty
Everybody
corner.
behave himself. Naughty corner. Hello.
Don't say hello to them, they'll think we're a farmer. If we tell them to shut up, they'll just do that, so there we go. Then this is 2J54, the 1750 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Glasgow Queen Street. Then this is 2J53, the 1754 ScotRail service Glasgow Queen Street from Edinburgh. Then I would just like to point out that the 1806 ScotRail service to Cumbernauld from Mulgai and the 1820 ScotRail service to Dalmuir from Cumbernauld were both cancelled. Then this is 2J56, the 1821 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from Glasgow Queen Street. And then here she came under 5C72, the 1839 West Coast Railway service to Bowness Junction Exchange SDG from Carnforth Steamtown. This was going to pull the Fourth Bridge to Scottish Borders rail tour, which I'll be seeing on the 11th of August. And then also set up my camcorder on the other side of the bridge, and this is the footage from it.